A very good afternoon to you and to our viewers at home. We're coming to you live from Vermeulen Street in the city of Tshwane. This is outside the Treasury's offices, the office belonging to, of course, the Minister of Finance, Enoch Godongwana. This is where we saw hundreds of PSA members just gathering here in the city of Tshwane from as early as 7 o'clock in the morning to just gather and embark on that march. They are on a national shutdown, and this is their main march, or their main center, where they were actually pushing to ensure that whatever is happening across the country culminates to what was happening here today in terms of the submission of that memorandum. They succeeded in submitting that memorandum of demands to the Treasury officials, disappointed over the fact that, of course, the Minister of Finance, we are told, is not in the country. The President, we are told, is not in the country to submit or to receive, rather, that memorandum of demands from PSA members. But they've sent a stern warning to government officials to say when these things are notified to you in advance, you must make sure that at least a DG is available to accept the memorandum of demand here. But the DG was nowhere to be found in terms of someone to come and accept that memorandum of demand. The President not here, the Finance Minister not here. The memorandum of demand was instead accepted by the COO, acting COO in the Treasury's office, who actually promised to the workers that have gathered here outside Treasury that this memorandum of demands will within 7 days receive a response from the powers that be. They're saying that at least the President and the Finance Minister will be aware of the content of the memorandum of demands, where the union PSA has given them about 7 days to respond to this memorandum of demand. It's a three-part memorandum of demand that was slamming basically the 10%. They're calling for they're slamming the 3%. They're calling for a 10% wage offer. They also taken issue with the process of collective bargaining, saying that the President moving to unilaterally implement that 3% and even announce it in Parliament is undermining the bargaining collective bargaining processes, saying that if the Treasury doesn't come back to the bargaining table and negotiate with them and discuss with them, they will see actually a rolling mass action. They are confident that at least their demonstration here today has impacted on the delivery of essential services or services in the public sector. We've heard of school learners that were disturbed in terms of going to write their examinations, and they're saying that this will continue if government continues with the arrogance of failing to come back with an above inflation wage offer. But it remains really to be seen if government will be coming forward. They sent a statement last night saying that they are cautioning of the no work, no pay principle that would kick in, saying that they have contingency measures in place to ensure that this strike doesn't have an impact. But PSA, on the other hand, is saying that they are convinced that this strike action here today had an impact.